Back to another video of Mokwala Agri. I'm just here to give you an update of what's going on chicken house. So remember on Monday we actually refilled this 50 kg bag of grower. We opened this Broiler grower 50 kg bag from EPOL on Monday, and I think we were left with 5 kg inside our feeders of starter when we actually topped up our feeders with a grower. So we were switching actually from starter to grower on Monday, and yeah, our chicken quite started eating the grower on Monday actually. So today is Thursday and we're gonna be looking inside our feeders. It's almost empty. All of our feeders almost running out of feed. So this means that our chicken ate 50 kg of feed in 3 days. So 200 broiler chicken at an average of 2 to 3 weeks, at an age of 2 to 3 weeks, they ate actually 1 bag of grower in 3 days. Tomorrow they are turning 3 weeks, so they're gonna be 3 weeks old tomorrow. So yeah, I just want to give you that update of actually how long they did our starter, or sorry, our grower last. I just want to give you that update. So otherwise, yeah, everything still look good. When it comes to mortality, I think we lost 4 or 5. I forgot actually. I didn't record much. It's 5. Yeah, we actually lost 5. So on mortality, we are still sitting at 5. We are left with 195 chickens that we are raising right now, and they're really quite looking fresh. They kind of looking okay. So regarding the drinkers, I just want to tell you how much water they drink. So this is like 12 liter of drinkers that I have, and I actually refilled them this morning around 5, and this is where they are. They're left with around like 3 liters each feeder. So I'm actually gonna refill them during the day, because I think after 2 to 3 hours these drinkers they will run out of water. So with regard the water, I will say I refill water twice a day or 3 times a day. It actually depends, but if I refill them like around 2 during the day, it means I'm also gonna refill them the next day in the morning. So yeah, I refill water twice a day, and I actually come to my chicken house twice a day as well. So when I'm here to refill water and drinks and feed, and as well as turning my wood shaving. So I posted on Twitter the other day and said that this circle that you see right now that I'm raising, everything that is on this circle, I actually got it for free. The feed that you see over here, I got it for free from the government. So there was a voucher, passive voucher that I received, which it was worth around 11,000. And with that voucher, I actually requested that they give me feed. So I didn't want anything else. I wanted feed. So I got quite around 20 something bags of feed last year, if you still remember. And this is some of the feed that left, because I didn't have any chickens to brood or any chickens to grow in December. So back to feeders and drinkers, because with feed, I've told you what happened. I got the feed for free because of the PESI voucher that I got. So right now, let's talk about the drinkers and the feeders. All these drinkers and feeders that you see, I also got them for free. Remember last year I did a video saying that Poultry has given us drinkers and feeders. So the big jumbo feeders that you see, as well as the drinkers, I think no, one drinker is this one. The other 2, I had them a very long time. So I'm sorry, it's only 1 drinker that I got for free, and these 2 drinkers I actually bought them myself when I started my business. I see there's a chicken that doesn't look okay over there at the corner. Do you see it? This one here, it doesn't look fine. Let's go to it and see what's going on. Yeah, so as I was saying, that I got this feeders for free from Poultry. I don't know how much they cost, but that they cost quite a lot of money. and I just spotted this one. I don't know what's wrong with it. Looks like some water belly problem from far, but now it's jumping around, it's running. We will just monitor it and see what's going on with it. But yeah, those are some of the things that you need to do when you come to your house. Just try to observe your chicken and see if they are feeling good, they're feeling okay. As I was saying, that this cycle, the only expense that I had to actually make, it was only chicks. Everything else, got it for free. The wood shaving that you see, I got it for free. Remember I told you a story that I passed this other farm and there was a wet wood shaving that they wanted to throw away, and I asked for that wood shaving if I can have it, and they said I can take it, and I took the wood shaving because now I have a buggy. Those are some of the benefits of owning a buggy. You know, when you drive around, sometimes you just find something and you seems like this thing can work for you. You can just securely load it in your buggy. So those are some of the benefits of owning a buggy, even though it's small, but yeah, I still get some benefit of owning one. So I took all those wood shavings and I put it on my other house where I'm actually drying them off, and they can come in right now because I'm using it now. It's let's say 80%. It's drying off, so maybe 20% left. But yeah, those are some of the benefits that you actually get when you own a buggy. And yeah, I don't have much to say, guys. I just wanted to update that. Those who say that I don't reply the comment, sometimes it's because you ask something that I have already spoken about, and I've spoken about many times in my videos. So you guys sometimes are just lazy to go back and watch some of my videos. Someone was asking the other day if he was saying that how long does it takes for me to give my chickens respect, and I think I've mentioned that quite many times. There's also a video about respect alone on the channel, so I cannot answer something that I've answered many times. So sometimes I just like your comment and pass because you guys are lazy to go back and watch my videos. So if you want to know more things, just try watch all my videos and you'll find the information that you're looking for. So from me, Makwala Agri, I just want to say thank you, guys. I see you support me quite nicely this year. We are growing very fast. Soon, maybe when I reach 10,000 subscribers, yeah. So I cannot share everything on one video. And somebody was saying that I make short videos, I should make them longer. Some people don't like longer videos, some they like longer video. I just gonna leave it here at like 8 minutes video. Otherwise, don't skip the ads. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Otherwise, I'm out of here. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Dango.